Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to categorize all of your transactions within the QuickBooks Online app. Alright, let's get organized. We are going to categorize our transactions here. So first of all, securely link your bank account to QuickBooks Online. Your transactions will now automatically sync and appear in your dashboard. This eliminates the manual data entry and it reduces manual human errors. You now need to go to bookkeeping, look for transactions in your left menu, and then click the For Review tab to see all of your uncategorized transactions which are waiting for your attention. Here you can categorize or you can match. So QuickBooks suggests categories based on transaction details. Accept the suggestion, select from the drop-down menu, or you can create custom categories that fit your business needs better. You then need to double check the payee category and the amount for accuracy. Click on Add to move the transaction to your books. It's instant and then it is ready for reporting. Some pro tips: create bank rules. So this entails setting up automatic categorization for recurring vendors. Batch processing: you can use bulk reclassification tools when you need to update multiple transactions at once, and then do regular reviews. So visit the categorized tab on a monthly basis to audit and adjust your categories as your business evolves.